Show you how to learn the cadence. We call this primary chord progression because it consists of the 1, 4, and 5, which are the most important chords in the scale. So let's take a C major key, and my first chord, my chord 1, will be starting on the first note, which is C. I'm gonna move to the fourth note, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and I play the chord on the fourth note, which happens to be F major. The fifth note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a G. I play a chord on G, and that is G major. Now, if I play these chords in the following order, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, I get something that is called a cadence. However, there is so much jumping and it's uncomfortable to play. That is why we use something that is called inversions. So instead of F major, I'm going to put my C down to this one. So I'm going to have this inversion. That's an F chord. It's just the C is now on the bottom instead of top. So I'm going to play my C chord. I'm going to keep the C in the same position here, and I'm going to move these two notes up to make F. So C, F, and back. Now, how do we make a 5 chord? So this is my 5 chord. Well, I'm going to put D here. It's still kind of far from my C chord. I'm going to take a B down. So I have B, D, G. Notice that those are exactly the same notes as G, B, D, just in different positions. So this is a G chord. And if I play C chord and I go down to G, it's very easy because my G stays the same. They share the note, so it's... So if I play the whole thing, which will be 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, progression, this is how it's going to sound. Now there is a variation of the G chord that we play that we're going to call G7, or we can call it 5-7. In this case, we're going to use the F instead of G, instead of D. So I'm going to play this chord for my 5-7. So I'm going to play cadence with 1, 4, 1, and now we do 5, 7, and back to 1. 5-7, it's a specific chord that is derived from the G7 chord. So it's a regular G chord with a F, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my 5-7. So we do inversion. I put the G on the top, so from here G will go up. That's the chord in inversion. However, it's very big compared to other 3-note chords, so I'm gonna just take away my D and I leave only 3 notes, so it makes it even with the other 2 chords. So we have 3 notes, 3 notes, 3, and then there are 3 notes, even though this chord essentially has 4 notes. And I finish here. Of course, we will do the same in the right hand, so I'm going to play for you the full cadence, both hands together. For your assignment, you will be using the 5-7 chord and not the 5 chord, just the 5-7.